Thank you for tuning in to one of ACM's Excel Quick Tips. Today's tip features the WORKDAY function. The WORKDAY function simply allows a user to exclude weekends, holidays, and more in a date calculation. This function is very useful for organizations to calculate invoice due dates, estimate shipping duration, and calculate workdays performed by employees. The WORKDAY function requires some prep work before beginning. For this example, invoice due dates are needed. The number of days calculated from the invoice date must exclude weekends and holidays. Weekends are already excluded in the WORKDAY function. However, holiday dates must be entered ahead of time to use in the formula. Click in the cell needing the formula result, then click in the formula bar or on the function icon, and select Workday. Begin to enter the formula. The formula includes the start date, the number of days until the invoice is due, and holidays. Holidays are optional in this type of formula. The range will never change, so hit F4 to make it absolute. Now the typical WORKDAY function formula is complete. However, for this example, days pending must be considered. These are additional days allowed for approval. Simply add cell F4 to the formula to include these days pending. Drag the formula down, and you will notice that invoice due dates are now calculated and displayed in each cell. The due date for invoice 1139 is the equivalent of 30 working days past the invoice date, with no additional pending days allowed for approval. If a number populates instead of a date, simply right-click and format the cell to display a date. Are you interested in learning more and enhancing your career? Come check out our website at www.acmpm.com. Here you will find our training schedule along with the training products that we have to offer. For more information, please contact ACM at 734-995-9640. We would love to hear from you. Also, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Administrative Controls Management is established at a variety of locations, including Michigan, North Carolina, and Ohio. Our vision is to be your first choice for project management. Our mission is to provide the most timely and cost-effective solutions to clients' project management concerns. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute global registered education provider. Once again, thank you for your interest in our courses and what we have to offer. We look forward to hearing from you soon.